Hey everybody, I'm Manny. Welcome back to my channel, Aftershave. So if you guys can see, I am in a truck stop here in Patterson, California. So we're gonna get into a truck stop shave. I know it's been a while since I've done one. I'm gonna keep it quiet because they're outside cleaning. It's gonna sound kind of awkward that I'm talking to myself. Without further ado, let's get into it. I do have this puck blooming. I'm gonna be using Erasmic today. I have no idea what I'm gonna get out of this. It looks like it is a glycerin style soap, so we'll see how that goes. And I don't bring any of my expensive stuff with me, so I'm gonna go in with my Vanderhagen Boar brush here today that I have soaking in some hot water. I'm gonna use citrus musk for the first time, since this does have some kind of a similarity, like citrus kind of scent. And a razor of choice would be my 34C. And I have a mixture of blades here. So I don't know what I'm gonna use. Probably the Bic. See how that goes. They are blades that I've used in the past. And Aftershave balm of choice would be the Nivea Man. I do have a fan here on the side of me that I probably will be turning on momentarily here because it is fucking hot in here. I just finished having a shower. The shower's on this side over here. So we'll see how we do. I'm gonna go ahead and throw out my water out of my scuttle here. I'm using the Phoenix travel scuttle. There you have it. And I'm gonna throw my Erasmic bloom water into my scuttle. And we will get to lathering. There is the soap there. It is kind of creamy in a way. And I don't know how this is gonna work because it is not sticking to the bottom here, but we'll give it a shot, see how we do. I'm just squeezing the what you would call the tub, just to kind of get a grip on the soap from it turning. Yeah, it's kind of like a citrusy, like citronella kind of scent to it. It almost kind of reminds me of electric sheep in a way. I have only seen a handful of people use this soap. I think I've seen them use them in stick form, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I have no idea, like I said, what I'm gonna be getting into here. So I'm hoping to load heavy, see how we do. Hopefully we can load heavy enough. This is a small bore knot. Meanwhile, through the shaves, I'll turn on the fan for like an example here. It's fucking hot, so I'm gonna turn it on for a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm not talking. tried taking the puck out, but it was a no-go. All right, let's see how we do here. This is a weird lather. I give it a big dunk just to speed up the process here. I have 2.5 days of growth. It looks like it can handle water. Hopefully it won't start bugging. I'm sure I could handle more water than that, but I don't want to take too long in here. So I'm gonna use the Bic and see how we get on with it. I think this is one of the first Bics I used, so it may have a few shades on it. Leather seems to be holding up nicely, so first pass with the green. Noise you hear in the background is people cleaning the restrooms right now, the showers. This blade is on its way out. Definitely, you can feel it. Yeah, I think I think this is the one that there's a weird lather. Look at this. It doesn't want to stick to the face. I think this is the one where I had like 7 shades or 6 shades or something like that on it. If I'm mistaken, I think I'm just, don't quote me, I'm just going off of what I remember, but I think this is a soap that's available in the UK. And it's widely available in their chemists. So this would be like their version of Vanderhagen, because we can pick up Vanderhagen widely available in some of our chemist stores out here. I normally don't ever like using cold water when I'm shaving, but today it's necessary. I don't dig the scent, but in a pinch, it is a nice performance soap. I can't gripe about that. Yeah, as you can see, it handles a lot of water. There's one weird lather. Let's see how we do with this against the grain. That barely passed the test. My sweating is affecting the soap. It's fucking hot in here. The things I do for my viewers. I want to make sure you guys can hear the feedback. Hear me. So that's why I have the fan off. The salt inside my sweat is messing with my lather. But the stuff is slick as shit. I dig it. All right. Don't have very much left of that. In the brush, but it's still good. All right, guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna do my clean pencils off camera. All right, guys. Fantastic shave. So, that blade finally gave up the ghost, like my brother Kiefer likes to say. I just barely got my BBS shave because the blade was no longer cutting. That was a long cleanup path with no irritations, no nicks. So that blade will now go in the trash. Let me rinse off, guys. I'll be back. All right. Nice. I dig it. I dig it. Not at all my favorite scent, that soap that is, but I had to give it a shot. Can't knock it till you try it, right? So this is my first time ever using this Aftershave splash, and let's see how we get on with it. It's got that synthetic lemon lime scent, like the lime scent. And get another second dab. Yeah, this one doesn't have that post-shave feel that the others do. In fact, it feels like lime sick with a tad bit of musk hidden in the background. Okay. And just going with the Nivea Men. I think I used too much. Alright. Put some on the arms here because I haven't done so yet. But yeah, man, not a bad shave. It was a great shave, to be honest with you. I just the scent. Don't dig the scent, and to be honest with you, I don't dig the scent of the citrus musk. Got a little bit of synthetic scent to it. Give me a sec. All right. But yeah, that is it. Let me give you guys a quick recap. Let me just rinse this out a tad bit. I went in with the Boar. Soap of choice was the Erasmic. This was a scent that was sent over, or a soap that was sent over from Evan Wallace. And there's the soap drying out now. There's the back of the label. Dry from coconut oil. Glycerin. Yeah, so that is that. Razor of choice, we went in with the Merkur 34C. Aftershave choice was the citrus musk. Blade of choice was the big blade, and this has to be on its 7th or 8th use already. I remember I had it used a few times, and I think that is it. Oh, and the Nivea Men. But that is my shave, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. If you do, please like, favorite, share, and subscribe as always. And I will catch you guys on the next one. You have to say about that later, guys.